In this video, we will be learning how to make 100% shea butter. Now, previously we have looked at how to make 100% coconut oil soap, 100% olive oil soap, and 100% palm oil soap. And this is a series we started this month, okay? So you want to binge on those other videos just in case you are into business and you want to add any 100% one oil soap into your range. Then these videos are essential for you to watch. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ego the Messy Soaper, and I'm glad to have you back to my channel this week. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and we'll be glad to have you join this little community of us. Let's get into this video. Shea butter is very price friendly in Nigeria, okay? It's produced locally here, just as how palm oil is produced here. Shea butter is one of the cost-effective oils you can use when it comes to your soap making production. Shea butter contains oleic acid and it's high in stearic acid, which provides you a stable creamy lather and brings hardness to your bath. Now we are doing 100% shea butter soap, and we are superfatting the soap at 5%. Shea butter has a lot of benefits when it comes to the skin, apart from it raising the dead. Like, shea butter is used to soothe insect bites, it's used for facial applications, it's used for skin products, it's used for hair products, and people use it to make their soaps or food, okay? So it has various benefits that it brings to the table. Shea butter is known to have some saponifiables that do not turn into soap fully, so it does not react with lye. It remains as oils, okay? Not the whole of shea butter turns into soap when you're making soap. So the oil that remains in your shea butter soap helps to nourish your skin, helps with dry skins, with wrinkles, and it helps with skin blemishes. Shea butter provides hardness. Shea butter is a hard oil, so it comes with hardness, it comes with a stable and silky lather, and it is quite conditioning to the skin. Let's get into this video and we'll talk while we make our 100% shea butter soap. Shea butter is gotten from the kernel, from the shea trees, and it is also edible. Guys, did you know that there was a shea butter cookie? Did you know it was a thing? And did you know you could use your shea butter to make bread? Oh my god, it's amazing. Anyways, shea butter, as we know in our culture, is used for African black soap, for skin balms, you know, for pain treatment, for moisturizers. Even newborns partake in shea butter usage. It's great for the Harmattan season. Guys, shea butter has a whole lot of uses. It's great for eczema, psoriasis, dry skin, insect bites, burns, and the like. And it's great for hair care treatment as well. So as you can see, I'm pouring my lye into this mixture, and as you know, shea butter is a hard oil and therefore it speeds up trace, and you would see shortly this will turn into pap very soon. Shea butter brings hardness, conditioning effects, and a very creamy lather to this table. It is very high in oleic acid and stearic acid. Oleic brings conditioning effects, while stearic brings a form of hardness to the bath. Its full fatty acid setup is 5% palmitic acid, 40% stearic acid, 48% oleic acid, and 6% linoleic acid. This is its fatty acid profile. Now, shea butter is 47 grams saturated fat and mono unsaturated fat is 44 grams and polyunsaturated fat is 5.2 grams. Okay, so I'm getting this shea butter soap into my mold, and as you know, we are soaping at a 5% super fat. So I'm trying to tap this down as the tin tonogi on top my head, so making sure that there are no pockets by the time we are unmolding this soap. Okay, we'll leave this to sit overnight, and this is the next day. Whilst it has formed firmly, I'm unmolding this soap right away. Oh my god, gorgeous. Look at the detailing on this soap. Shea butter and palm oil, so far so good, has given me the great detailing when it comes to molding. Okay, look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh, the details are so pronounced and I love it. So it's time to do a ladder test. Ladder test time, ladder test time, ladder test time. Okay, so let's see what shea butter does. We're working it. Ooh, look at those large bubbles. Oh my god. Guys, would you agree this is our best one oil soap so far so good when it comes to conditioning and bubbling? Oh goodness, look at that. I love it. Will shea butter be one of your one oil soaps that you would add to your line? Because Nigeria is going haywire right now. We are looking for what we can use that would still cleanse. Although shea butter is low in cleansing, but I mean, I don't mind. It cleanses mildly. So yeah, you have, it takes out the cleansing properties, the conditioning, the hardness for you. So, and a creamy lather. So guys, what do you think? All right, we'll see you in the next video. Happy soaping.